Hey, it's Chad from Evolution AV in Winnipeg. We're here at the Manitoba Metis Federation office. We're in their main boardroom where we recently installed some really great video conferencing equipment. So as you can see behind me, the centerpiece of this room is the 110-inch LED wall from Max Hub. It's the first of its kind in Canada and provides a great viewing experience no matter where you're sitting in the boardroom. So we also provided the Bosch Decentis wireless microphone system. This allows flexible wireless conferencing throughout the space. For less formal meetings, we've installed the Sennheiser in-ceiling microphone. This acts as a central microphone for everyone at the table. For more engaging presentations, we've included two Loft D286 interactive displays. This space is incredibly important to the Manitoba Metis Federation and the Metis community. Evolution AV is extremely proud of the work we've done to make this space what it is today.